Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Dribbble website. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into my App Store, Google Play, double check if there is a new update coming by clicking on your avatar icon or Apple ID icon at the top right, and then to check if there's a new update coming, go ahead to your browser. And basically, if you want to know how to use your Dribbble, basically you could just go ahead into search. Let me search right here how to use the Dribbble account. Basically, if you want, if you're not active member of Dribbble, then at the very least you very likely heard of it. What exactly is Dribbble? Simply put, it's a place for designers to discover, explore, and share artwork. It's a strong community currently unraveled anywhere else on the web. Okay, and who uses Dribbble? From rookies to all stars and side jet. For sure, Dribbble is a platform undeniably popular across the design industry, with everything so easily accessible. Right? Simply put, it's an instant source of inspiration for any creative who may be passing by. The platform attracts a plethora of creatives from various disciplines, with users ranging from freelancers, graphic designers, and web designers, product designers, illustrators, and more. All right. So if you want to know how does it work, anyone anywhere can join Dribbble and explore users and their work, and you don't have to strictly be a part or be from an art or creative background. Consider a tech business looking for branding ideas for new app, blogger searching for content inspiration, a copywriter looking for visual prompts to inspire their next story, even a restaurant owner looking to redesign their menu. They can all find what they're looking for via Dribbble. It works a little bit differently to a standard social networking networks. Artists have to earn their right to post images on that site. So if you are a newcomer, you will need to be invited by a signing member in order to become a player, i.e. a contributor, and post your own work. And this might at first seem like a drawback, but if you are wanting to dive straight in, but in reality this sense of exclusivity is perhaps part of Dribble's charm and part of its success, as it successfully encourages and intrigues casual users enough for them to want to become members. Creatives are limited to uploading 24 shots per month. This prevents users from spamming and keeps the platform looking its best. So, the opportunity for exposure is a huge benefiting factor on Dribbble, for Dribbble or off Dribbble. And if a posted image is voted up by a substantial amount of members, and think of likes on Instagram, or for comparison of how it works, it can make the popular section of Dribble's website, which is seen by hundreds of thousands of users daily. If you want to know why is it useful, once you've all set up, Dribbble allows users to browse images by theme, artist, projects, and more. And it's no-brainer that is endlessly useful for designers. And creatives cannot only upvote work that they like, but they can comment and leave feedback on people's individual work and their portfolios. All right. So let me know in the comments. If this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.